Dorabjee was established in 1878. It makes this joint 145 years old, owned by a friend of mine, Darius. Fantastic guy. Guys, when this was started, Darius is a third generation by his great grandfather, then his father, then himself. They have maintained the recipe the same, and also the look and feel the same. Let's start with the chicken falcha. Look at this. Wow. The mutton cutlets. You see, this hasn't been changed for 145 years. Each bite represents a century. Tough. So the chicken biryani is made on coal. It's not made on with gas or electrical gas. And the reason is, when you cook rice on coal, and it kind of attracts that fragrance. Dorabjee is very, very popular for their biryani. I have taken the chicken biryani. Look how well the chicken is cooked. Look at that, just look at that, look. Shreds. Again, recipe unchanged for 145 years. My favorite is the chicken sali. Call it sali because of these wafers. Look at that, baby. Yeah. The gravy. Right, and what you do is you take some of this. Now you have two choices. You either give it with your roti or they give it with pao. I like the roti, made in-house, by the way. This is not ready-made, eh? They make it right here. Paper thin. Oh my God. The flavor, man. Wow. Dorabjee Sons. 145 years old.